Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Monday, the 17th of September, 2018. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In Honors Math, you had your Module 2 quiz today. In Regular Ed Math, we have our Module 2 quiz tomorrow. Remember, you've got the optional review from class today. You've got pages 41 and 42. And then you also have what we did work on in class. So 3 different resources that we can use to go through and prepare for the quiz tomorrow. In science, we are dealing with changing our metric units. That's going to be something that we are introducing the metric units today, and you're going to have to learn to convert back and forth. In social studies, you've got the government Venn diagram, which you need to go through and compare a monarchy, dictatorship, and also a democracy. In language arts, writer's notebook, we've got chapter 4, which are seed ideas, and then in literature you need to read 20 to 30 minutes as well as go through it and work on your seed folk vocabulary, which is due this Friday. Remember, there is no article of the week for this week in literature. And for CNL, hopefully your research project was done by class today. That's it. Make it a good one.